Namaste everyone, welcome to Priyam Tech World. Everyone dreams to get a job in top big companies such as Amazon, Google, Facebook, Adobe. But you know what the right step to get into these big giants? Follow the 5 steps to get hired in these big giants. Like, share and subscribe the channel for more upcoming and amazing contents. So let's begin. Follow these 5 steps. Step number 5. Learn programming. Programming such as C, C++, Java. If you learn any of the 3 programming, it will be helpful for you to crack easily because the top companies check your programming skill, and the main important programming language are these two, C++ and Java. Step number 4. Data structure and algorithm. Data structure and algorithm. Data structure and algorithm plays a vital role because in these giants they see that data structure parts such as linked list, stack, queue, array, and as well as their algorithm, how they works. Step number 3. Participate in competitive exam. Competitive exam such as Geeks for Geeks, CodeChef, HackerRank, Top Coder. Participate in this competitive exam because in this competitive exam it will be helpful for you to boost up your confidence level. And the next step is step number 2. Learn the theory portion. Theory portion such as DBMS, database management system, then networking, then operating system. If you learn these 3 parts thoroughly, it will be helpful for you. And my best advice is during your semester exam, if you cope up with the 3 parts, it will be helpful for you because in the theory part, they mainly ask questions from DBMS and operating system. And over here, the DBMS and operating system covers around 50% of your interview result. And the number 1, the most important part, practice from question bank. Practice from question bank. Question bank such as Career Cup, Interview Beat. If you practice from these 2 sites, Career Cup and Interview Beat, it will be helpful for you. Go into Google, type on Interview Beat or Career Cup, you will find big companies are giving their questions or how many type of question comes in them. It will be helpful for you because the question they ask generally comes from Interview Beat or Career Cup. After completing all these steps, if you complete the step, all the 4 steps that I have given you, it will be helpful for you. And then comes the important part, the placement procedure. Many of the companies check your percentage criteria of your class 10, class 12, as well as all the semester result. If you have a 60% criteria, then you can see it in every of the big giants. Then it comes the MCQ and the coding round. The MCQ and the coding round plays a vital role. It is the most important part, the coding round. Over here, 80% of the candidate get rejected and 20% of the candidate get hired. Then it comes a technical interview. In technical interview, they ask question from your theory part, and then there come the HR interview. In HR round, they will ask you, tell me about yourself, your basic strength, your weaknesses, your fitness, your inspirations, and how you see yourself in the next 5 years, why we will hire you, this type of questions. So give a thumbs up for more upcoming videos. Thank you.